Hello, my name is Natalia Blanco and my team members are Daniela Elizaga and Ana Lucia Ova. And this is our partial project number 1. We will making problems 1 section 1 and problem 20 section 2. First you have to subtract 25 minus 26. It's equal to 1. Delta x equals 1. And your formula is delta y equals y2 minus y1. Then you have to plug in your x1 and x2 on the equation, and it will give you delta y equals, it will give you 403 and 375. Then delta y equals 403 minus 375. Delta y is equal to 28. Yeah. Now for the percentage, you have 375 over 28, and then you do rule of 3. So 100 times 28 divided by 375, which gives you 7.4666, and this is the answer.
So in section 1, the first exercise states that the total stopping distance t of a vehicle is t equals 2.5x plus 0.5x squared, where t is in feet and x is the speed in miles per hour. Now, in part C, it says approximate the change and percentage change in total stopping distance as speed changes from x equals 25 to x equals 26 miles per hour. So, as it is an approximation, it is not asking for the exact change. We use the differentials, which is this formula: dy equals f prime x times dx. So to find our dx is equal to x2 minus x1. So here's our x2 and here's our x1. Dx is equal to 26 minus 25, which is 1. So our dx is equal to 1. So now we're going to derivate the t equals 2.5x plus 0.5x squared, and we're gonna make a derivative of these two terms. So 2.5 times x. The derivative of 2.5x is 2.5, and the derivative of 0.5x squared is plus 1x. So now we're going to put it in the formula, which is 2.5 plus 1x, which our x is 25 times dx, which is 1. So now we're going to put it in the calculator. So 2.5 plus 1, 25, 1, and our answer is 27.5. So this is our dy, 27.5. To find the percentage, we need to find our 100%, which is this formula: which is t equals 2.5x plus 0.5x squared. To find it, we need to substitute our 25, our x in the formula, which is going to give us 375, which is our 100%. And we have 27.5. So to find it, we need to multiply this times this and divide. So multiply and divide. 27.5 times 100 divided by 375. It gives us 7.333%. So now in part D, it is asking us what is the percentage telling us about the situation. So it is telling us the increase in the stopping distance, and in part D, it is asking us what is the percentage telling us about the situation. So we know that 7.33 is our percentage change. This we get it by using differentials, but when you use increments, you get 7.466. So it is telling us the increase in the stopping distance, and as you can see, there are not as much difference between these two numbers, which is telling us that our approximation is really similar to the exact one.
Okay, first you need to take out the u. And then you find the derivative of the u to find du. And then you need to find dx. Ya, pausa ahí, okay. Ahora ponle pausa. Okay, now you're gonna write 9 sine 3x. And you're gonna substitute. And you can cancel out the sine. Okay, then you're gonna write -3 because you divide, and the u to the 1/2, and you're gonna add 1. 3/2. Okay, now you're gonna divide, and it's gonna give you -2. You plug in your u, así no era ching. Okay, now after dividing you get a -2, and you're gonna plug in your u. The 3/2 plus c. So the answer is gonna be -2 cos